Now let's look at the union. If E and F are events, the union, and that's going to be written E with a little horseshoe that's swooping down like a U, F, and this is going to be the event that either one or both occurs. So you can have either E or F, and it's okay if they're both, occurs. So let's look at the students who are over 30 and not over 30 and how they either favor athletics or do not favor expanding athletics. So we have our two-way table. First thing we should do is get our totals. This time we have exactly 9,000 students. I'm not real sure why the other table had an extra 10, but that's all right. So now we'll look at these following probabilities. So here the probability of O, a student being over 30, is going to be 2,100, and that's going to be divided by 9,000. And you see, I often will forget to do the little squiggles. It's okay. Probability of A, there are 4,300 students that favor expanding athletics. A complement, I just need to do 1 minus the probability of A. So 1 minus the probability that we just obtained. And now this last one, probability of O or A. So this one's a little bit different because you can be in either group O or in group A. So these students, the 1,600 and the 500 students, those are the over 30 students. Now the A group, that's the 1,600 that we've already included, and this additional 2,700. So now we can actually add up all of these observations. And notice I'm just, doing the three numbers that I highlighted, and then divide that by the total 9,000. So I'm going to add up the numerator first. So it's 4,800 over 9,000. And that is approximately 0.533. Now, one misconception that happens frequently with these is students will go ahead and just look at the totals. They'll look at, let me change color here. They'll look at the total 4,300 and the total 2,100. But the problem when you've done that, I want you to see something. When you look at the O students, you get the 1,600 and the 500. When you look at the A students, you have the 1,600 and the 2,700. You've now counted that 1,600 twice. So you cannot just look at the outside totals because you're going to overcount something. So you do need to look at it like this.